Okay, let's begin searching for things that start with the letter O. And the letter O makes the ah sound. Let's see them. Hi everyone, welcome to Dot Toys again. Today we're going to be learning about the letter O. But we're going to be learning it with this really cool slime glue. But wait, I know what you're saying. It's clear. Here comes a surprise. Put my secret ingredient. Do we still have a boring clear color now? No, we have a nice bright blue slime glue. Okay, let's begin searching for things that start with the letter O. And the letter O makes the ah sound. Let's see, the first thing I have here, what's this? It's an octopus. Does octopus start with the letter O and make that ah sound? Yes, it does. Octopus does start with the letter O. Okay, let's continue. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's go deep into my slime glue. Ooh, I found something. What did we find here? We found a ostrich. Does the ostrich make the ah sound? Yes, it does. It starts with the letter O. It makes the ah sound. Let's continue searching. Ooh, what do we have? Oh, we have something small here. What's this? Let's see if I can get some of this slime glue out. Can you see what it is? It's red with little black polka dots. It's a ladybug. Does ladybug start with the ah sound? No, it doesn't. It starts with the L sound, the letter L. Ladybug. Let's see, what do we have next? Well, I found two things. Ooh. What do we find here? We found the uppercase O, and here I have the lowercase o. And together they make the ah sound. Very good. Let's continue digging. Whoa, what is this? Oh, let's get rid of this slime glue out of this little guy. Actually, he's not a little guy at all. What is it? It's a gorilla. Does gorilla start with the ah sound? No, what letter does it start with? That's right, the G. It makes the G sound, gorilla. So nope, no ah here. Got a few more. Oh, I found something really, really small. What is this? I don't know if you guys know what this is. Maybe your mommy and daddy know. This is a olive. Does olive start with the ah sound? Good job, kiss your brain. It does start with the ah sound. Olive. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, I found something. What did I find? What did I find? Oh. Let's see if you guys can guess what this is. Can you guess what this little guy is? That's right, he's an otter. Does the otter begin with the ah sound? Very good, it does begin with the ah sound. Otter. Okay, one more. last one. Oh, everybody knows what this guy is. This is a horse. Does horse begin with the ah sound? No. Horse begins with the letter. Good job. The letter H starts with a h sound. Horse. So horse does not start with the ah sound. Well, yep, can't find anything else. Well, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and I really hope you learned a lot about the ah sound. Well, that's it for now. If you liked my video, give us 2 big slimy thumbs up and I see you next time. Bye! Look at my blue fingers.